This summer, relax on the tranquil waters of Gunboat Bay near Madeira Park on BC's Sunshine Coast. 13229 Sunshine Coast Highway is a turnkey cottage on 0.73 of an acre with roughly 175 feet of tidal waterfront. The one-bedroom home has an open concept floor plan that maximizes those spectacular water views. A 12 by 24 foot balcony further expands your usable living space. Spend hot summer days swimming or kayaking, then watch the sunset from your balcony. You're a short 4-minute drive to the shops and amenities offered in Madeira Park. Here you'll find a grocery store, a bank, and a pharmacy, as well as restaurants. Madeira Park also has both an elementary school and a high school. If you own a boat, there are a number of marinas in the immediate area, as well as a boat launch. The Mount Daniel trailhead is 8 minutes away by car. This steep hike will reward you with unbelievable views of Pender Harbor. Let's go back to 13229 Sunshine Coast Highway and walk through this adorable cottage. Starting from the resurfaced driveway, we cross a large parking area before stepping inside. From your front door, we make a beeline for your second-story deck and your fabulous view of Gunboat Bay. On our left is majestic Cecil Hill. Back inside, we see the open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. This delightful space is spotless and very well kept. A door leads to the bedroom and the bathroom. This primary bedroom has a yard-facing window and its own closet. The ensuite bathroom has a walk-in shower and a stylish vanity, as well as another incredible view. In the yard and under your deck is the walkout basement. Use this space as storage for bikes, lawn tools, and water sports gear. There's also a laundry room with a work table and a utility sink. A door opens to more storage that could be converted to a second bedroom. To the right of the main cottage is a spacious bunky with a closet and its own amazing water views. This is a handy extra space for kids or visitors. If you need even more room, there's an RV pad with hookups at the far end of the property. Or use it yourself to store your boat or motorhome. There's a huge yard with lots of room for kids or pets. A beachfront deck can be used to enjoy your beautiful surroundings without needing to actually get wet. There's even a waterfront rack for storing your canoes and kayaks. A new oversized septic system was built to accommodate a 3,600 square foot 6-bedroom home. This property also comes with plans for a new 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom home with a detached garage. 13229 Sunshine Coast Highway in Madeira Park can be anything you want it to be. Make it your primary residence or a weekend getaway, or use it as a revenue property with an eye on building your dream home in the future. This is the best time of year on the Sunshine Coast, and there's going to be a ton of interest in this home. Hurry and call Realtor Corinne Dempsey to make the most out of your summer.